Speed is the biggest advantage when it comes to converting leads. Most businesses collect leads through Google Form, but the response usually doesn't happen instantly. By the time someone follows up, the lead has already lost interest or moved on. This delay creates a gap between interest and engagement, and that's where opportunities are lost. To fix this, you need a system that responds immediately the moment a lead is captured. In this video, I will show you how to automatically send a WhatsApp message to every Google Form lead as soon as they submit their details. This helps you start the conversation instantly and keep the lead engaged from the beginning. Now, the workflow that you are looking at my screen is the workflow that I've created to instantly send a WhatsApp message to my Google Form leads. First of all, let me show you the demo of this workflow. Then I will help you also create this exact same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account. Now, first of all, I have to show you the demo of this automation. For that, I will fill up a form that I have created and circulated among my leads. Now you can see this is my Google form. In here, I will provide all the details quickly. Then I will show you what will happen next. So let me just fill up this form. I have filled my form here. I have added my name, phone number, email, and for my requirement type, I have selected this marketing. Now I just have to submit this form. Then instantly at first, all the details that I have provided here, because of a native integration between Google Form and Google Sheet, all these details will get added as a new row inside my Google Sheet. So let me first open my Google Sheet. In here, you can see these details are added successfully as a new row. Now what will happen next? Instantly on my WhatsApp account, I will receive a confirmation message. Let me open my WhatsApp account. In here, you can see I have successfully received this message. Hi Rakesh Kumar. You can see this message also contains my name. This means that with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can create such amazing workflows where you can also send personalized messages to your customers. I have received this message. Hi Rakesh Kumar. Thanks for reaching out to us. We have received your request successfully. Our team has reviewed your requirement for marketing. You can see this is the exact same service that we have selected while filling up our form. And one of our specialists will get in touch with you shortly to assist you further. And here it has provided these further details to help my customer. So you just saw instantly I received this WhatsApp message as soon as I filled up this website lead capture form that I've created inside my Google Form account. So this was the demo of my automation. Now, if you also want to set up this kind of instant response system for your business, I have added all the links in the description box. You can use those links and start creating this workflow right now. But if you want to learn in detail how you can create this workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account step by step, then you just have to follow me for the next 10 minutes and I will teach you exactly how you can create this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account. Now let us start creating this automation. I will just open this page and in here you can see this is the blank workflow where you have to integrate multiple applications to create your workflow. But if you are a beginner here and you want to learn how you can come up to this particular page where you can create your workflow, then you just have to click on this video available on the right top of my screen. On the I button, I have added a link of this video with the help of which you can understand the basic workflow that how you can come up to this particular page. So watch that video to learn the basics. Now we will start creating this automation from here itself. First of all, you have to select your trigger application. This trigger is like the event with the help of which we want our workflow to get triggered. For my trigger application, I want to select that Google Sheet where all the new entry that I received from my Google Form get added as a new row. So to selecting our trigger application, we just have to click on this plus button. Then from here, we can simply select this Google Sheet that is visible right here. But if you want to select any other application which is not visible here, just search for this, then you can select that. I will select this Google Sheet from here. Then for this application event, I want my workflow to get triggered as soon as a new row is updated. That's why I will select this application event. Now we have to press this connect button to create a connection between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. For that, you can see we have received this webhook URL. You just have to copy this URL from here and then follow the steps given here to integrate this webhook URL inside your Google Sheet. But I will show you directly. Now before integrating this webhook URL inside our Google Sheet, let us first create a Google Form for ourselves and integrate it with our Google Sheet. So now on my Google Form application, I have created this website lead capture form where I am asking my customer these 4 different details: their name, their phone number, their email, and their requirement type. So you also have to create your own form and ask the question that you want to ask from your customer. After that, you just have to integrate this form with your Google Sheet. For that, click on this responses. Here, this options of link to sheet will be visible to you. You just have to click over this. Then from here, you have to select among these 2 options, create a new spreadsheet, select existing spreadsheet. As I've already created a spreadsheet, that's why I will select this second option. Then I have to click on this select button. But if you want to create a new spreadsheet, you can select the first option. So after selecting the second option, you have to select that sheet which you want to integrate with your form. I will select this sheet, then I have to press this insert button. You will see instantly my Google Sheet will get integrated with my Google Form. Here you can see my Google form and Google Sheet are integrated successfully. From now onwards, whenever I will receive a new entry from my form, instantly that particular details will get added as a new row inside my Google Sheet. Now we just have to integrate this Google Sheet with our Pabbly Connect account. For that, you just have to click on this extension, select this add-ons and click on this get add-ons from here. You will get directed on this Google Workspace Marketplace. In here, you just have to search for this webhook, then select this Pabbly Connect webhook from here. After that, this will be visible to you. So you just have to install this Pabbly Connect webhook inside your sheet. After that, go back, click on this extension again. This Pabbly Connect webhook will be visible to you at the bottom here. So select this initial setup from here. Inside this box, in this webhook URL, you just have to paste the URL that we have copied from our Pabbly Connect account. For this trigger column, we have to add the last column of our Google Sheet where we have added the data. In my sheet, that column is E. That's why in here I will type this capital E. Now we have to click on this send test button. After that, the data added in the first row of my Google Sheet will get sent to my Pabbly Connect account. Here it is sent successfully. Now we just have to submit this configuration from here. After that, we just have to go back, click on this extension again, select this Pabbly Connect webhook again, then press this send on event. After clicking on the send on event, automatically the new data that will get added here, it will instantly get sent to our Pabbly Connect account. Now this means that we have successfully integrated our Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. So let us go back inside our Pabbly Connect account. In here you can see I have successfully received this response, and this response contains all the information that was added in the first row of my Google Sheet. Now we have successfully added our trigger step. Next we have to work on our action step, with the help of which we will send a message to our customer if they have filled a form. So to add action application, click on this plus button, then select this application from here. For this action application, to send a WhatsApp message, I want to use Pabbly Chatflow. That's why I will select this from here. Then for this application event, we have to select this send text message, then press this connect button. You will receive these two options here, add new connection and select existing connection. To create a new connection, you have to select this add new connection, but if you have already established a connection, you can go with this select existing connection. Now to create a new connection, we just have to add a token in here. To get this token, click on this hyperlink. You will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. From here, click on this access now button to access the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. When you are inside the dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number in here in order to access this particular column. To add your WhatsApp number, click on this button, select any of these two methods, and you can easily add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, from this column itself, select this settings and click on this API and webhook. Inside this page, here this is our Pabbly Chatflow API token. We just have to copy this from here, come back in Pabbly Connect, paste the token, press the save button. Your connection will get created successfully. And after creating this connection, we just have to add this recipient's WhatsApp mobile number, the message which you want to send them, and their name. Now to fill up these fields, I will take help of mapping, because by mapping we can make our data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will type down these details manually, then those details will remain static and they will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why to allow our data to get changed automatically, we take help of mapping. Now inside this recipient's WhatsApp mobile number, I have to add the number provided by my customer. So I just have to press the slash button. Then from this drop down, I can easily select the value which I want to map. Now I will click over this number and you can see it is mapped successfully. After that, let me just map this name also. So I will just search for this name from here, and after that I can simply click over this to select this name. Now I will add this WhatsApp message which I want to send to my customer. Adding the WhatsApp message here is the last step in creation of this workflow. This means that my workflow is almost complete, and you have seen me creating this workflow inside my own Pabbly Connect account seamlessly without any hustle. So I have created this automation without getting worried about tasks, because I am using the premium version of Pabbly, with the help of which I got thousands of tasks every month, so that I do not have to worry about tasks anymore, and I can create more of such amazing workflows inside my own Pabbly Connect account. But if you still get stressed about losing your task while creating a workflow, then it is time for you to purchase the yearly or lifetime subscription plan of Pabbly, because by purchasing that, you can get thousands of tasks every month, so that you can create your workflows seamlessly without getting worried about losing your task. And the best part here is, if you will use my coupon code JAIYT that is visible right in front of you, you can also avail a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So make sure to use this coupon code while purchasing your own subscription. Now let me add this WhatsApp message inside this box. Here you can see inside this box, I have added the static part of the message which I want to send to all of my customer. Now to customize this message, I will map some of the details of my customer. Like in front of this hi, I will map the name of my customer, and then in front of this requirement for, I will map the requirement selected by my customer. So for that, I have to press this slash, search for this name from here, then I have to click over this to select it. Then for this requirement also, I will again press this slash, search for this requirement, and I will select this CRM from here. After adding these details, we just have to click over this save and send test request button. After you will click on this button, instantly this WhatsApp message will get sent to your customer directly inside their WhatsApp account. So let me just open my WhatsApp account. In here you can see I have successfully received this message with all the details, my name and the requirements selected by them inside my Pabbly Connect account. So this means that we have successfully completed the creation of our workflow, with the help of which you can instantly send a confirmation message to your customer as soon as they will fill up a form that you have added inside your website. So with this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this automation to instantly send WhatsApp message to your Google Form leads. Just like this, you can also create this automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account. Now, if you also want to improve your lead engagement and avoid missing opportunities, I will highly recommend you start using Pabbly Connect, because this system ensures that every lead is connected instantly without relying on manual follow-ups. Use my coupon code JAIYT and purchase your subscription right now so that you can create your workflows seamlessly without getting worried about tasks. I have added this coupon code in the description box also so that you can get it from there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comment box. My team will help you instantly. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.